Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and let's take a quick look at the third cut jeans by Our Legacy in the Nocturne Dust Wash colorway. These were released as part of the Spring Summer 2026 collection and it retails for £400. I picked these up at Dover Street Market with 40% off for £240. It has a relaxed straight fit featuring 5 pockets, branded metal buttons and rivets, a YKK fly zip, belt loops and Our Legacy rubber patch. It's a black denim with contrast white weft that's treated and tinted with a beige finish for more depth and texture. It's a solid mid-weight with reinforced back pockets, and Our Legacy strikes a good balance with a special washing process and mild distressing that results in vintage yet smart and clean look. Its everyday relaxed fit sits well on chunkier sneakers and boots. For reference, I'm wearing a size 32, I'm 185cm or around 6 foot, and I'm wearing the Jordan 3 Retro Pure Moneys. As usual, purchase links to my YouTube video description. Thanks for watching, please drop a like and comment nice to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.